Hey guys, this is Sean from SeanWeather.com, and today we are having Xiaomi Redmi Note phablet with us. Xiaomi Redmi Note is one of the most popular products from Xiaomi as it comes with lots of nice features and at a very affordable price. So right now we are having this retail box which came from China, as you can see here on the back. And let's have a look. This is a typical Xiaomi retail box. There is nothing written anywhere, anything on this retail box. There is no feature mentioned, nothing. Just a sticker which says everything in Chinese, but you can see some of the key aspects mentioned here, that it is having 2 GB RAM, 8 GB internal memory. The micro SD card supports up to 32 GB of memory. Then there is the bandwidth on which it works properly. It supports USB 2.0, and there is 3.5 mm audio jack. It supports USB 2.0 TG. It is capable of taking or playing, I don't know what's written in Chinese, I can only say it's 1080p written over there. And it supports GPS, AGPS and all these things. So this is the Xiaomi Redmi Note. Actually, there are two versions of this device. The first version is a 3G device which is having two SIMs capability, that dual SIM capability. You can use two SIMs at a time, and but this is a 3G device and it comes with a MediaTek octa-core processor with 2 GB of RAM. And then there is another version which is a 4G device, but it is not having the dual SIM capabilities and it runs on a Snapdragon 400 processor. So this is the basic difference between the two versions of Xiaomi Redmi Note. The one we are having right now is the 3G version with dual SIM capabilities and having an octa-core processor comes from MediaTek factory. So let's open the retail box of Xiaomi Redmi Note now and let's have a look what's going to be inside. Here is how the retail box, as you have already seen. Let me open it. Okay, here we go. Here is the device, the Xiaomi Redmi Note, the 3G version. Let's see what else are inside the box. Okay, here is the charger, as you can see. There is a USB cable. Then what we got here, these are the user manuals. I think all of these are in Chinese only. Okay, like all these papers and user manuals are in Chinese, so just keep them away. And okay, here is the huge a bright orange 3200 mAh battery which comes with our Xiaomi Redmi Note. Let me insert the battery. Here is the back panel. Okay, so after removing the back panel of our Xiaomi Redmi Note, this is what we got inside. Here are the two SIM slots, as you can see, SIM 1, SIM 2, And here is the micro SD card slot. There is the loudspeaker. Here is a 13 megapixel camera with the flash. So let's insert the battery now. And one interesting thing here is that the keys are on the back panel. They are not on the body of the device. It's on the back panel. So if you're removing the back panel, you cannot easily switch it on the device. So like you will have to put the back panel back on the device, then only you'll be able to switch on the device or do anything. So, okay, here is the beautiful Xiaomi logo, and let's have a look on the device now. On the front we are having the front facing camera, the proximity sensor, the LED indicator, and as you can see here, there are 3 capacitive buttons, keys which are in bright orange or red. You can say it's red in color, which looks pretty good. It's really very nice because the combination of red and black is looking very nice. On the top here we are having a 3.5 mm jack, a dedicated mic for active noise cancellation. Then here is the USB port at the end. On the left hand side we are not having anything, no case, nothing. And on the right side we are having the volume rocker and the power key. On the back then we are having the 13 megapixel 13 megapixel primary camera with the flash, and there is the Xiaomi logo and a loudspeaker on the corner, on the left hand corner. As you can see, the device is big and the device is thick as well. It's really very thick, as you can see, and it weighs around 200 grams. So if you compare it with latest smartphones like Huawei Mate 7, which is 6 inches in size, but it's really very lightweight, and it is also having a very huge battery. That's 4000 mAh battery with respect to the 3200 mAh battery of Xiaomi Redmi Note. But the device is pretty very lightweight. So if you compare all these things with this device, Xiaomi Redmi Note is a bit thicker and bit heavier. So here is our device. I don't know which language it's coming. Okay, just because it came from China, as you could see, everything was in Chinese. So here is our device. This is the MIUI 5 running on this. Let's go to the setting, and here you can see the details of the device. The device name is Redmi. Model number is running on the Android 4.2.2. It's an octa-core device having 1.7 GHz processor, 2 GB of RAM, internal memory is 8 GB. The battery status, legal information and everything. Let's go back and let's have a look. On how much free RAM we are getting while booting up this device for the first time. So let's go to the running section. Out of 2 GB of RAM, 1422 MB of RAM is free right now, as you can see here. So it's I think it's pretty good. Booting up for the first time, and the device is showing like 1.5 GB of RAM is free. And here is the UI, no app drawer, nothing. This is our Xiaomi Redmi Note. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching the video, and the detailed review of this device will be up very soon in different sections, different videos. So keep watching the channel and do not forget to subscribe it. Have a nice day.